Just... I did plan a bit of a skit. Hey Wessex! What Wessex? I broke my chopper. Check out its head and shaft. I scrapped that because it's even worse than that. It deserves more, alright? Guy comes up to me at Tesco's. Scott! Yeah. You fixed my chopper? Okay, let's have a look. Scurries out to the car park. Puts the car in. Well, it's pitch black because it's night time. Gives me the head, gives me the shaft. Yeah, that's foolboard. Puts it in the bin. Bin. Boot of the car. Comes home. So I'm going to make a start on it today. It's going to do a little bit of a show and tell. There's the head. Here's the shaft. Never good when it involves insulation tape. So you can see what I'm dealing with here. In fact, I even tried to marry up the head and shaft. Just... That's upside down. It's back to front. I don't even know if this was the head and the shaft. But anyway, the way I look forward to this is, if you're subscribed and if you're notified, you'll see the vid that's coming up in the future about when I tackle this joyous task. That's getting burnt. That's just... Sometimes you can look at a handle like that and think, oh, I could put that on a small head, make a small forest axe out of it. You know, bit of a big knob at the end. But hey, spare handle. That's not even worth the fire. So, Wessex Blades handles a bloke's chopper. Yes. A bit rough. For all those in the... Make sure you're subscribed in whichever corner it is, because I've reversed the screen and it could be inverted. It's got Wessex Blades handling someone's chopper.